Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Fortnite Chapter 4 not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution has 4 steps. Don't worry, the steps we will make will not harm our Xbox device and our game data. Our first step is to update Xbox and game. We go into the settings. Click on System. Click Updates. If your Xbox is not up to date, the update button will be available here. It says, no console update available, because my Xbox is up to date. After making sure that the Xbox is up to date, we click on My Games and Apps. We come to the Manage section. Click Updates. If there is Fortnite here, we click on the game and click Update. Fortnite is not showing for me because it is up to date. This was our first step. Now we will move on to the second step. Our second step is to clear the Xbox cache data. We go into the settings. From the left menu, we come to Devices and Connections. Click on Blu-ray. Click on Persistent Storage. Click on Clear Persistent Storage. In this way, the cache data of the Xbox was deleted. Now we will move on to step 3. Our third step is to delete the saved data and reserved space of Fortnite. When we enter the game, the things we deleted will be restored. We go to My Games and Apps. We come over the game and press the 3-line button. Click on Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Saved Data. First, we click on our account. We say Delete from Console. Then click Reserved Space. Click on Clear Reserved Space. In this way, only the settings you have made in the game will be deleted. There will be no change in the game. This was our third step. Our fourth step is to reset the MAC address. We go into the settings. In the General section, click on Network Settings. Click on Advanced Settings. Click on Alternate MAC address. Click Clear. After saying Clear, we need to restart Xbox once. Click on Restart and restart the device. This was our fourth step. Our second solution is to remove the Xbox account we entered in Fortnite and add it again. The problem may be caused by our account. That way removing it and adding it again might fix the error. We go into the settings to remove the account. Click on Account. Click on Remove Accounts. Here we choose the Xbox account we used. We click on Remove. We removed our account. As you can see, when we come to the main menu, it asks us to add an account. We click on Add New. We log in again to our account that we just removed. After entering the email, we enter our password. We click Next. We click Yes, I am in. We click Next. Here we click on Apply Settings. We definitely don't click on No Thanks. Click on Use Instant Sign In. We have added our account. Now you can enter the game and check if the problem is solved or not. This was our second solution. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to our third and final solution. Our third solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. We can fix the errors we have received in Xbox games by uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Sometimes the problem can be caused by the installation or the latest update. Since we can't uninstall the updates on Xbox, uninstalling and reinstalling the game will work. You already know how to uninstall the game. Click on the game and click on Manage Game and Add-ons. Here you can click on the section that says Uninstall All and delete the game. I won't delete the game because I solved the error. This was our third solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.